For the first time since I've gotten the new lip on the Prelude, we're gonna take it out to two car events actually. But we're gonna start off with Valt. This video is Valt Auto Club in Concord. So, I also have to bring my Moto Compacto. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. As I said, Valt Auto Club. This one we've been to. This will be the second time. Brought the Alfa Romeo when I went, and then I brought the Prelude there, but only to get some ceramic coating on the headlights. So this will be the first time I bring it for an actual event. Be nice to see what people think of it. I enjoy it. I love it. So anyways, let's hop in.
Good on St. Mary's the other day.
Oh, wow, thank you.
Appreciate it. Yeah. All right. Look at that Jaguar. It's crazy. Oh, yeah. What the heck? This thing's wild, man. Dude, how are you?
Good.
Man.
Like, what are you hanging out in your garage? Hey, you know what I should do?
Wow. Right. Key inside? Go for a drive?
Yeah, like it's all pretty long.
This is cool. Do the old school, like the mirror with like all the different directions. That's like so old school. It's true. Did you see the cat thing over here? Yeah. Look at that. That's true, yeah. So here we are at the event, Concord, California. How diverse is this? We got Huracan, our Prelude, Ferrari, pick-em-up truck, motorcycles, wagons, whatever that thing is, Brian, RSX, E46. Oh, damn, this is cool. Oh, wow. Wow, that was that T? I don't know, but I like it. And then I got my Lude with the lip kit. Need to get the rest of the lips. It's just right there, right? Yeah. Wow. Oh, that's cool. How are you?
Good to see you. Yep, I'm good.
Good to see you. I was hoping you'd be here, man.
Yeah, I was right by my house.
Yeah, is it? Look at this.
It's quiet as hell, too.
Oh, that's cool.
Or can you?
Oh, yeah, like get it to work. Oh, this is nice. Did you say a sledgehammer?
Sledgehammer.
That's nice.
Up on there. I think it's in story.
Yeah. Oh, I love this. Ooh.
Family sport.
Ooh. Oh, no kidding. Look at this. Well-tail. Dude, family car. You got 3 people in there. That's rare. Actually using the back seats. That's freaking awesome. Again, we got my Lude. Look at this. Yeah. Honda and Honda right there. Anyways, let's see what else we got. Oh, just realized the E46 has a ZHP front bumper on it. And, oh, 7 Series. Nice 911. Crazy carbon fiber on the 911. And this right here. Look, it has Italian on it. I don't know if it's Italian or not, though. If I'm being honest. Oh, no, it's a Buick. Look at that interior. So cool. In the back. Look how low that is. Convertible C7. And next to that, we got our friend Brian's 4C Spider. Always keeping it clean. Got the Ghost Bastards. Oh yeah. It's a cool thing about Brian's 4C. So he's got the little pouch down there where you could put like a cell phone or something like that. And then he's got a bit of carbon fiber down there with a selector. We got M3, beautiful Mercedes. Very nice. There got the shop that's open over there. Mercedes wagon. And this, ooh, Roush Mustang. Ooh, I'm getting a phone call. What is this little thing? It's like a Austin Healey or something. And then this is the Mini with the Honda engine. Love the Recaros on there. Front of Brian's car, 991 911. Really cool wheels on it. And BRZ. And then 86 GR. Now on this side we got our friends Julia. Pick 'em up truck. LC 500, a lot of carbon fiber. Ooh, we got a MR2.
Yeah, I know. That's just the
Ooh, this is a nice LC 500 lit. Carbon fiber on the diffuser, on the tail light, right there. Looks like forged carbon fiber underneath the wing. Hard to see it from there. Right there. Hopefully you can see it. And on the roof, the wheels, carbon fiber on the side skirt. Of course, the front.
So they make the bus is a tour bus?
Very nice. It was that Huracan we saw. And then look at the wild paint on the Mustang. So we'll look at the Huracan first. The back. So sick. And then crazy color. It's almost like a forged red carbon fiber look, at least. And then clear tail lights. Let's just show you interior on a Huracan, and then interior in the Mustang. Some more of that forged carbon fiber look. What is that, Thunderbird? It was the MR2. Yeah, very nostalgic. I had like a couple of close friends who had these growing up. Like that. Wow. And not sure how they brought this one to the meet. Saw a few of these driving in. Man, this is actually a pretty good turnout. Here's just a mix of cars that are here to be repaired. This is a brand new Civic. Jaguar is nice. But yeah, I can't tell. Some of these were here for work or... Oh, we got our first Montana plate. Yes, all the best businesses are in Montana. E46. So when I had my E46, it came with a bumper like this. Then I switched it out to the ZHP. Made it look really clean. Civic Si. BRZ, I believe, or FRS. Look at this. It's got that Cybertruck look to it. Sick Volvo wagon. And that BMW we saw creeping in. Man, I think, yeah, last time I came here I didn't go this far down. There's a few that we saw driving in. WA, love this E30. And then we have our friend Joe's shop. Oh, there's some Phil's coffee. Not Phil's, Pete's coffee. And then a couple wrenches. It was that IS. Look at the wheels on the IS. And Cobra wheels. These are cool. I remember wanting these. The Altezas. Inside Joe's shop. We got Joe over there. That's a sick Toyota. Wagon. That, woo. Very cool. Look at this over here, M5. Another one. Mercedes. You haven't seen? This is little hangout shop. Or office, I should say. There's a doggo there. Let's see. Is there any donuts left? Oh, there is donuts. No rainbow sprinkles, but I think I'll get that one there. No rainbow sprinkles, but I got those. Oh, really good. Thank you. Thanks, Valt. Thanks, Joe. A few Mustangs coming in. One more there. Oh yeah, is it? Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, 4C Swagger. There we go. Look at the paint on this, or vinyl wrap, or whatever. Oh yeah, it's a wrap. Yeah, it's for sure. You can see right there. Yeah, let's go, Chameleon. Looking inside this E46, really cool. Look at that. It's got like some micro suede there. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, Lincoln oil. Oh, that's cool. A Mustang and Corvette, North Carolina. Wow, Fox body. I like these, the convertibles. I like these too, but I think I'd rather have the convertible. I like. Oh yeah, yeah. Yo, Ricky.
Right.
Oh, at Radwood last year. Nice color on the 5.0 Fox body.
I got a soft spot.
That's nice, GT3. Ooh, there's a lot more coming in than leaving. Some left already. The E46 M3. Oh, that's very nice. And then check that out. Fast and the Furious. Going. There's that 5 Series. And then Mustang. Oh, that's nice too. 5 Series. GT4. Really love the GT4s. Ooh, FC RX-7 in white. Oh, that's the anniversary one. Very nice. Pretty sure it's the anniversary one. Oh yeah. And beautiful color on the M3 or M4. Sorry. Oh, look at that. We got our friend, the Fit. And no matter where he parks it, it'll fit. That sound. FD RX-7. We didn't see that earlier. Enki wheels. And then look how clean this Miata is. Holy moly. Everything in it is just clean. Oh, nice. This would be fun to have. Should I get a Miata? How's it going?
I said I saw that convoy pulling. I'm pulling right here. I know there's not gonna be no spots down there.
Yeah. I brought the Prelude today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right over here.
Yeah.
Oh, shiny new headlights too.
Yeah, new headlights, new fog lights, new lip, a little bit of orange peel on the lip though.
The lip is pristine.
Yeah, it's like
a
in
really clean example.
good condition. Yeah, pretty good condition. That's nice. Recaros.
Someday I'll own one.
Loving the yellow on the headlights. It's got the newer BMW emblem on there too. Woo. Corvette coming. Looks like the pick-em-up truck is leaving. Oh yeah, people. Z06. Nice. Very nice. All right, we got the Jaguar. Leaving. Woo. Very cool. Ooh, BMW sound good. Looks like a fun ride. Ferrari, we just kind of. Ooh, GT3 making noise there. Very nice. We'll hear it take off. Oh Lord. Ooh, okay, back to the Ferrari. And again, my lewd. Ooh, the lighting. The back. Inside the FD. It is. Me too. Yeah, the Honda Beat. Very nice. Yep. Here's the whale tail. So good. Oh, spaghetti.
Figured you want the milk.
Nice. So sick. Look, there's another K car coming in. Pretty sure this is a cappuccino. Oh yeah, Suzuki. Yeah, Suzuki cappuccino. Very cool. Very nice. GT3 RS. And then over there, Rick's GT4. So sick. Listen to the exhaust. That sounds good. Julia 2.0. Woo, sounds good. Oh, sounds good. R8 just came in too. And we got Rick's GT4. Haven't seen Rick's GT4 in a while. You know, all his Porsches are so slick. I thought, was it Austin Healey? Yeah, the R8 that came in afterwards, or recently, I should say. Damn, this thing is sick. Woo! Wow. That is so nice. Jesus. Oh wow, look at this. So nice. Get that interior. And of course the back. Love it. So clean. Such a good look. All these builds are always really nice. All right, here to the very end, Valt Auto Club. Shout out to Joe and everyone from Valt out here. Make sure to check out Joe's shop for all your detailing needs. I'm actually going to bring the 4C. So used to saying the 4C. I'm gonna bring the Prelude here to get some of those swirl marks off. I'll make sure to record that, or at least get you like the before and after so you can check out Joe's work. Anyway, that's gonna do it from Valt. Talk to you guys later.